If you're experiencing account sync issues with your Steam Deck, follow these steps to resolve the problem. This guide will help you ensure your account is properly synced and functioning. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your Steam Deck is connected to a stable internet connection. Go to the Settings menu and select Network to verify your connection status. Step 2. Update Steam Client. Make sure your Steam client is up to date. Open Steam, go to the Library tab, and check for any available updates. Install any update if prompted. Step 3. Log out and log back in. Sometimes, simply logging out of your Steam account and logging back can resolve sync issues. Go to the Account section in the Steam settings, log out, and then log back in. Step 4. Verify game files. If specific games are not syncing, verify the game files. Right-click on the game in your library, select Properties, then go to the Local Files tab and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Step 5. Restart your device. If the issue persists, restart your Steam Deck. This can help refresh the system and resolve any lingering sync issues. Simply hold the power button and select Restart. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any account sync issues on your Steam Deck. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Steam support for further assistance.